Hello guys, welcome to Chickadee. When life gives you lemons, you know what to do. That's right, make some refreshing lemonade. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw this nice fresh lemonade in a mason jar with a red and white straw. Let's begin.
Chickadee!
Firstly, let's draw the jar, starting with the lid. Just a simple rectangle like this. A narrow rectangle. Now draw two small lines under the lid on either sides. Extend them this way into two slant lines. Extend them even further. Straight long lines till the bottom. You can use a scale or a ruler. Straight lines till the bottom. Curve them a little. Curve them at the bottom as well. And join it with a base line. Now draw another slightly curved line on the inside as well. That's it. The jar is done. Next, for the lemonade, at this level, draw a narrow oval shape, leaving a slight margin at the edges. That gap is nothing but the thickness of the glass. Now let's draw two ice cubes. Two simple hexagons with soft curved corners. A regular hexagon with soft curved corners. One more. Some details in the front makes it look like a cube. Done. The straw goes all the way from here till the bottom of the jar, just a narrow long cylinder shape. It's pretty simple. You know how to draw a straw.
Yeah.
That's it. A slice of lemon. Draw a semicircle. A slight outer skin margin. Now divide this area into 4 triangular segments. Next, a pair of fresh mint leaves. Simple leaf shape with rough edges. And some condensed dripping by the side, pooling at the bottom. Now let's draw the stripes on the straw. Just some diagonal lines, leaving equal intervals or gap. Erase all the extra lines before we start doing the black outlines. Here, carefully observe. I have used a finer tip marker for the contents inside the lemonade and the dripping. For the rest of the drawing, I have used a regular thick marker. colors. Do blue outlines for the ice cubes and the dripping. Green for the mint leaves, yellow for the slice, and red stripes. Gray lid and green outlines for the jar. Color the entire lemonade with a light yellow. Hope you had fun drawing this. Please like, share and subscribe for more simple, cool drawing ideas. Bye-bye. Yummy.